In section 6.3, we talked rotations, and in this video, I'm going to talk about question number 4. It says that I'm given a quadrilateral, and I want to graph the figure and its rotated image after a counterclockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. So it's 90 degrees about the origin, and it is counterclockwise. Okay, and then you want to, once you have the shape drawn, you want to make sure you label the vertices. So I'm going to zoom into my graph here so that you could watch how I perform the transformation. I'm going to lay my patty paper over my graph, and I'm going to trace, just like I did before, my y-axis, and I'm going to trace my x-axis. Okay. Mark the 4 vertices on your shape or on your patty paper and label the vertices K, L, M, N. Okay. Now you want to flip over that patty paper and trace over those dots again so that it will transfer when you get when you rotate it. Okay. Line your shape back up and make sure that you have an arrow that is facing in the upwards direction next to your graph, so that you can count how many turns you have to do. Now 90 degrees is a 1 turn, counterclockwise is backwards, and my pencil needs to be stationed at the origin. So my pencil's going at the origin. I need to turn my patty paper backwards 1 time, so the arrow should be facing left in order for me to move it once. Okay, so there, my arrow's facing left. Okay, make sure that you line that X and Y axis back up and press on the dots. Okay. Move your patty paper just a tad so that you can look to see how you labeled it. The top left point is L, and then it goes M, N, K. So L, M, N, K. Now we want to label these points after we connect our dots. So if you have a straight edge, go ahead and use that straight edge to connect the points. Okay. And let's take a look. We have K prime is the first one that we have to do, and K prime, it goes to the right 2 blocks and up 1 block. So right 2, up 1. I'll go over here, K prime. So L prime is do not move left or right, but go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 0, 4. I lied. K prime is not 2, 1. I'm sorry, that's N prime. So N prime is 2, 1. K prime is 0, 2. And M prime is to the right 1, 2, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 5.